Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up MailModo Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your account, head over to App Marketplace, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab. You have access to your documentations. Under the tutorial, you're going to have access to the Smart Queue video that is going to serve as a guideline. Under the setup, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up your app. First thing, you're going to head over to your app online. Click on Settings. Click on API Keys and click on Show API Key. You're going to copy your API key and head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup and paste your API key. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. As you can see, our app has been successfully connected. We equally have the Support Center. At the level of the Support Center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the Changelog. At the level of the Changelog, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the updates and changes of the app. In order to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button and subscribe to our channel.